Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Marlene with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. In today's video, we are making this wonderful Ghanaian condiment, Shito. Now, for those of you who are not aware of what Shito is or who are not sure what Shito is, it's pretty much a Ghanaian or an African condiment that is mostly used to spice up rice, fish, or any kind of meat or poultry. So in this video, we're going to show you how to make this delicious condiment, which has a strong smoky flavor, adding a bold African flavor to the most complex dish. So let's get to it. So to begin, you want to add in your chopped onions to the food processor, followed by your pepper. Next, we are also adding in fresh ginger. Blend until puree and continue to blend until everything is well incorporated. Now we are using palm oil for this, but you can definitely use coconut oil, vegetable oil, or grapeseed oil if you'd like. Just know that it will definitely alter the flavor. So you want to add your oil to the saucepan, heat it up, and add in the onion mixture. After stirring everything up, you want to add in your tomato paste. Now this is going to give it that rich, bold flavor as well as give it some definition. After you do that, just go ahead and continue to stir until everything is melted, incorporated, and we are also adding in dry parsley. Surely you can use fresh parsley if you have that in hand, but dry parsley will also do the trick. Cover it and continue to stir because your Shito will definitely stick to the bottom. Season it with salt and pepper to taste, and we're also adding in chili powder. If you don't have chili powder, that's perfectly fine. It'll still be good. It'll still taste good, but just the chili powder just give it an extra flavor. We're also adding in dry shrimp. Now, adding dry shrimp is completely optional, but the Shito that I have had in the past definitely does include that, as it is, from my understanding, it is one of the base ingredients. But you can definitely make this vegan by not adding in any fish or any dried meat to it whatsoever. We are also adding in ground crayfish. This you can get at your local international store, or you can definitely get this online at Amazon. So continue to add everything, continue to stir, and we're also adding in just a little bit more of the palm oil. I also added a little bit of water just to dilute it a little bit because this will turn into a paste and it can become, it can get hardened, as the palm oil is one of those oils that will harden the longer that it sits. Once you add in your oil and you add in your water if needed, continue to stir. Make sure that it's the consistency of a sauce or a thick sauce, as you see here. This is perfect for, like I said, with meat and fish recipes. So guys, this is how you make Shito. It's completely easy. It's so easy. We have the recipe on savorythoughts.com. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. We also post new videos weekly.